Hello everyone, I am Madhu, faculty of Autism Spectrum Disorder from Ashtavakra Institute of Rehabilitation Science and Research. Today we are going to discuss about autism, a neurobiological developmental disorder. The word autism is derived from Greek word autos, that means self. In 1911, Swiss psychiatrist Eugen Bleuler first used the word autism. Now I discuss today's shocking statistics about autism. There is one child with autism in every 100 children, and autism is 4 times more than the girls. Autism is more common than pediatric cancer, AIDS and diabetes combined. There is no medical detection for autism, no known cure for autism. Autism is a lifelong condition. Now, I will tell you about the causes of autism. Autism's causes are not known as yet, but we can describe causes of autism in two categories. One invalid theories and other one is valid theories. In invalid theories, we can conclude in this postnatal environment that allergies and exposure of children to drugs, vaccines, infection and certain foods. And one more thing, that is lack of vitamin D. Now I will discuss with you about some valid theories. One is genetic factors, other one is prenatal environment, then biochemical factors. Some of them are psychosocial factors is also responsible for the causes of autism. Now I am going to talk about some symptoms of autism. We can again categorize symptoms of autism in strengths and their weaknesses. Children with autism have good reading skills, but not exactly good reading skills. They are having reading skills, but there are some limitations in it. They also have good exceptional balance. They also have good drawing skills. They also have computer skills. They have exceptional memories, and they also have some music skills in them. Now we will discuss some weaknesses or some impairments in children with autism. They are having impairment in their social interaction. They are having impairment in their communication and receptive and expressive skills. They are also having some kind of bizarre behaviors. They are also having some repetitive behaviors. They are also having children with autism sensory issues, hyper-responsive and hyper-responsive. They are also having some fine motor and gross motor issues. Children with autism also having self-injurious behaviors. Now I will talk about when does autism appear. Exactly what is the age when autism seen. Several symptoms appear by 18 months of age. At this age, children with autism having poor eye contact, trouble with pretend play and imitation. They are also having delayed communication skills. They are also having poor joint attention skills. Then what's the age of diagnosis? About 3 years old. Regression. The regression is also seen in children with autism. Stop using the language, play or social skills they had already learned, usually between the first and second birthdays. Now I am going to talk about some clinical features the children with autism have. One is social interaction, inability to make a warm relationship with people. Children do not respond to their parents' affectionate behavior. Smile and look at others less often and respond less to their own name. They tend to their own things regardless of who is around or what is happening in the environment. They use poor use of social signals and weak integration of social, emotion and communicative behavior. Failures to make eye-to-eye contact with people. Now we will discuss about the triad of impairment, that is first is an impairment in communication, then impairment in communication. Then again we will discuss about impairments in their relevant behaviors. First we will tell about you impairment in communication, that is failure to develop normal speech, failure to communicate by gestures, body movements or facial expressions, lack of social usage of whatever language skills are present, delayed onset of babbling, unusual gestures, diminished responsiveness and vocal patterns that are not synchronized with the caregiver. Next one is their gestures are less often integrated with words. There are deficits in joint attention. They are less likely to make requests or share experiences to impairment in social imitative play. They are also having difficulty with imaginative play, with developing symbols and into language. They are also having lack of creativity and fantasy in thought process. Sometimes children with autism may exhibit echolalia, behavioral abnormalities, restricted, repetitive and stereotype pattern of behavior. They are having tendency to impose rigidity and routine on a wide range of aspects of day-to-day functioning, gets very upset by minor changes in their routines, difficulty in generalizing newly learned skills to new situations. Now we will talk about their third impairment, that is stereotyped and repetitive play. First one is ritualistic behavior like checking and touching rituals and dressing up in a particular way. When the rituals are interrupted and children may become anxious or angry. There's some kind of unusual rocking, twirling, head banging, similar repetitive behavior are often seen, especially in autistic children. Overactivity, disruptive behavior and temper tantrums which may occur for little or no reason. Some kind of phobias, eating and sleeping disturbances, cognitive abnormalities, poor at symbolization, understanding abstract ideas and graspical theoretical concepts. Memory may be excellent. Other features of children with autism. Many autistic children enjoys music. That is called idiot savant syndrome. In spite of a pervasive impairment of function, certain islets of precocity or splinter functions may remain. Now I will talk about types of pervasive developmental disorder. Why types of pervasive developmental disorder? Because autism itself a type of pervasive developmental disorder and autistic disorder is other name of autism. That are the features following: impairments in social interaction, communication and imaginative play, apparent before age 3, also includes stereotyped behavior, interest and activities. Second disorder is Asperger disorder. The characteristics are impairments in social interaction and presence of restricted interest and activities. No clinically significant general delay in language. Average to above average intelligence. Third disorder is PDD-NOS, that is pervasive developmental disorder not otherwise specified, often referred to as a typical autism, used when a child does not meet the criteria for a specific diagnosis but there is severe and pervasive impairment in specified behaviors. Next we have Rett disorder, that is progressive disorder which to date has only occurred in girls. Children with Rett disorder period of normal development and then the loss of previously acquired skills. Also loss of purposeful use of hands which is replaced by repetitive hand movements. Then last disorder in pervasive developmental disorder we have CDD, that is childhood disintegrative disorder. Beginning at the age of 1 to 4 years, normal development for at least for 2 years. Then significant loss of previously acquired skills. Now I am going to talk about exams and tests that is required or mandatory, or you can say that is in our society that is formed for autism, for all children with autism, that is routine developmental exams, language milestones, hearing evaluation, blood lead test. Then we also have specific screening tools, CHAT, that is checklist for autistic toddlers. Next one is ASC, Autism Screening Questionnaire. Next test is genetic testing, then complete physical examination, nervous system examination. Last one is Autism Diagnostic Interview Revise, ADIR. Again why we have one more test, that is Autism Diagnostic Observation Schedule, ADOS. Next test in our category is Childhood Autism Rating Scale, that is CARS, Gilliam Autism Rating Scale, GARS, then Pervasive Developmental Disorder Screening Test. Next we have treatment for autism children, some of behavior therapy, development of regular routine, structured classroom training, positive reinforcement to teach self-care skills, speech therapy or sign language teaching, ABA, that is applied behavior analysis, most widely implemented evidence-based results, storyboarding or social stories, sensory integration therapy, relation developmental intervention plan. So, I hope you understand the topic autism, its causes and its remedial and its training program. Thank you.